In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Steam games. Whether you're preparing to move to a new PC, freeing up space, or just want a safety net for your library, creating a proper backup is quick and reliable when you use Steam's built-in tool. Start by opening the Steam app and heading to your library. This is where all your games live. Find the game you want to back up. It needs to be installed on your system for the backup option to appear because Steam copies the actual installed files. If the game isn't currently installed, install it first so Steam has something to package. Next, right-click the game's title and select Properties. In the window that opens, go to the Installed Files tab. Here you'll see an option labeled Backup Game Files. Click that to launch Steam's backup wizard. This tool handles all the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to hunt for folders or worry about missing files. Steam will now ask you where to put the backup. Choose a destination folder on your computer, or better yet, pick an external drive if you want to store the backup away from your main system. Make sure the location has enough free space for the game you're archiving. Large titles can take up a lot of room, so it helps to keep a dedicated Steam Backups folder to stay organized. If you're using a laptop, plug it into power so the process doesn't pause. After you've selected the destination, follow the on-screen prompts to create the backup files. Steam may offer options like how to name the backup and whether to split it into multiple parts. Splitting can be helpful if you plan to move the backup across drives with file size limits. Then, confirm and let Steam do its thing. You'll see a progress bar while it compresses and packages the game's data. The time it takes depends on the size of the game and the speed of your drive. It's best not to launch other games during this process, and keeping Steam open and focused can help it finish smoothly. When it's done, Steam will create a folder with your backup files at the destination you selected. Keep that folder in a safe place. Backups like this are great for archiving less frequently played titles, minimizing downloads on limited internet connections, and quickly restoring games after a system refresh. One note: some titles store save data separately, so check the game's support information if you're concerned about personal saves and settings. And that's it. You've successfully created a backup of your Steam game using the built-in tool, giving you peace of mind and a smoother path to restoring your library whenever you need it.